So 1% of that. Yes, basically that is 100% correct. So here one person connected and told that basically that means the natural disaster basically which is happening. For example, Tufan is happening. So is there basically only one Tufan basically which is handling the entire world? So one person told that that is not possible basically to handle the entire world basically. One Tufan, one type of Tufan basically we can say. He basically can't handle everything. So few people told that basically there might be some set of Tufan basically which might have created by some group basically. So one person told that yes basically, and that is basically connected with some nuclear power companies, and nuclear power companies are connected with set of energies basically who are giving the data. In this data basically automobile industry is also one of the data because they launched already. So 1% of the why basically they are launching the models basically. One model will not work basically. So 1% told that yes basically that will work basically. So in this behind the model launching basically these all are the tasks basically they are doing. So automobile industries basically are also connected with the natural disaster basically. But where this natural disaster is connecting, that only that company person basically who is handling one entire India company basically, he only knows basically, and he is doing the entire manipulation. So 1% of the yes basically he is doing the entire manipulation basically. So whatever person basically he might be basically doing the manipulation. So here 1% told that, but here 1% told that companies basically have the exact data basically how they basically get the exact data basically. So 1% told that is also correct basically. So next it is